Docker Desktop on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Docker Desktop for Windows. Click on this Install Docker Desktop on Windows link from docs.docker.com. I will put this link in the description. You can click on that. Click on this Docker Desktop for Windows button. This will start downloading Docker Desktop installer. The file size is around 600 MB, so please wait while the file is being downloaded. Inside the download page, scrolling a little bit, you can see system requirements. The first item inside the system requirement list is WSL version 1.1.3 or later. WSL denotes Windows Subsystem Linux. To check which version of WSL your system have, open a command prompt. Type this command WSL space -- status and press enter. If your system doesn't show WSL version on running WSL space -- status, or the result is a list of WSL commands, then it means WSL is not installed in your system. If WSL is not installed in your system, you can run this command WSL space -- install to install WSL. If your WSL is below version 1.1.3, which is the minimum required version of WSL to run Docker, you can update your WSL version using WSL space -- update command. If you have installed WSL version 2, you can check the WSL version using command WSL space -v. If you have installed WSL version 1, you can check the WSL version using command WSL space -l -v. Coming back to the system requirements, this is the system requirement if you are using Windows 11, and if you are on Windows 10, this is the system requirement. So for Windows 10, minimum version should be Home or Pro 22H2 build 19045 or higher, or for Windows 10 Enterprise Edition 22H2 or higher. So let us verify whether our system meets this requirement. Open command prompt, type winver and press enter. You can see we are on Windows 10 with version 22H2 build 19045. Also we have Windows 10 Home Edition. So our system meets the second requirement. Close this window. Next requirement, turn on WSL2 feature on Windows. In order to turn on WSL on Windows, go to search, type turn. You can see a menu, turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. Window populated with a list of Windows features that can be turned on or off appears. Scroll down to bottom. Locate an item with name Windows Subsystem Linux, which denotes WSL. If it is not already checked, check the box corresponding to it. In my case, it is already checked. After checking Windows Subsystem Linux checkbox, click OK. If Windows Subsystem Linux is not already enabled in your system, enabling it may need to reboot your system for the changes to take effect. The setup may ask, do you want to restart your PC now? At this point, select don't restart because we need to restart at a later point. Now inside the hardware prerequisites, we need to verify whether hardware virtualization is enabled. To check this, first open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys together. Task Manager is open. Click on Performance tab. Click on CPU. Here at the right bottom, you can see virtualization enabled. In case you have virtualization disabled, you need to enable it. I will not be showing how to enable virtualization in this video. There are numerous internet resources that will guide you on how to enable virtualization. You can refer any one of them and come back to this video after enabling virtualization. So we have met all system requirements. I will restart the system so that changes we have made will take effect. Please restart your PC and come back to the video. I have restarted my system. Open the downloaded Docker setup file. So this is the file we have downloaded at the starting of the video. Double click the setup file. There is a warning or confirmation from user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Installation setup has started. In the configuration, we can choose to add a shortcut to desktop by checking this checkbox. Click OK. Setup is unpacking files and installing Docker Desktop. Wait until the setup completes Docker Desktop installation. The Docker installation is complete. The setup will say you must restart the system to complete installation. I will again restart my system. Close this and restart the system. On restarting the system, Docker subscription service agreement window will be shown. Click on Accept. Click Finish. Click Yes to confirm. You can skip this. Skip. The Docker engine is being started. The Docker desktop has started. On the left side, you can view containers, images, volumes, and so. So this means Docker desktop installation is complete on your system. So in this video, you have learned how to download and install Docker desktop on Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for watching.